I'm Rodney Babcock, President and CEO of Next Intent, where we build really cool stuff. Since we've been using GibbsCAM since 1996, the complexity of work we've seen has grown, and GibbsCAM has kept pace with us to be able to take on mill turn, to be able to take on 5-axis positioning, 4+1, and then also do full 5-axis impeller type of work also.
My name is Galen Moyer, and I'm the primary programmer at Next Intent. We have a lot of different machine types, a lot of different brands of machines, and basically being able to program for all of them within one software package is nice, and GibbsCAM handles that well. Like the programming for different types of machines and different brands is pretty easy, just basically changing between a machine type and a drop down, and then using the correct processor.
We feel good that we've aligned ourselves with a supplier for our CAM system that has all the tools that we need. As we see challenges in the work ahead of us, we feel comfortable that Gibbs is going to be there for us. GibbsCAM handles it all, and the software support has been excellent, and that kind of ties into the training. It starts with good training, and then there's software support along the way, and having good, reliable G-code. That's what it all comes down to in the end.
One of the satisfactions of programming here using GibbsCAM at Next Intent, it's the days when you actually get up and go out there and see something coming off the machine that's as complex as it is and made right and is beautiful looking with neat complex contours.
At Next Intent, our motto is we build really cool stuff, and that kind of came from when we started examining after the first couple of years of the kind of parts that we were building. It always tended to be out on the edge, really difficult parts out of difficult materials, and when we were all done, we would look at it and go, well, that's a really cool part. And it was pretty exciting. And then to be involved in the Mars Rover mission in 2003 kind of reinforced that whole motto. So we are competing in a space against fewer competitors because of the work that we're doing. It's more complex, it's more difficult materials, they're very light-weighted parts. We'll start off with a part that might weigh 90 pounds, and when we're done it weighs less than 5 pounds. We provide a high level of service from start to finish.